Okay, today I'm going to show you the proper way to draw the bow. Now remember the hand grip, you're going to go in here and go down on here. Now this bow happens to have a drop away, so it's going to pull up when I shoot. That's what this little string down here is for. But I'm going to put a little pressure on there, and I'm going to hook the release. Now I'm going to show you with a caliper style release. This is my one I use here. So put your hand in here. I like to drop it down with a little pressure on the string, so you can see I'm pulling back. A little pressure on the string. Now I'm going to step up. Now when I get ready to draw, if I draw from here, I'm going to end up leaning back. So you want to lean a little bit forward. Point your target towards, make sure I don't hit my ceiling over here. I'm going to put towards the target. You're going to do a little push with this hand as you're pulling with this one. So you're going to pull back. Okay. And now you're going to get your kisser button if you have one of those. Your peep is going to be lined up. And now then, when you get ready, you're going to put your finger over the trigger. And now that is your shot process.